Welcome to my dining room where I have taken up residency to do quilting, or maybe people don't call it that. I don't know if I'm just a fabricaholic or what, but I am the type of person that likes chaos in my quilts. I like the scrappy type. I have material like this. I've only done 2 quilts, and I'd rather collect fabric and do different things with them than to make an organized quilt. I don't know if it's because I have chaos in my life that I like that, or what it is, but I have fabric everywhere. I have some fabric here that I haven't really gone through yet, but I like fabric in small pieces. See, now this one wouldn't interest me. Actually, these two go together. Somebody on Facebook Marketplace was giving away fabric, and I took it because like I said, I have a fabric addiction. And I'm still kind of going through stuff. Right now, I was kind of surprised looking at it myself, so here's another area. I'm gonna try and go slow in my video. I always try and make my videos so fast that you can't really see what I'm doing. These fabrics are nice. Some I'm not too keen about, but the problem with me is I like to cut stuff real small. Like this right here, I love because it's small. I don't really have the desire to make the beautiful quilts that you see at quilt shows. I just like chaos, and I love fabric. These prints are very pretty. This one I really like. That's totally chaos. But some of these, like this, I'm selling on eBay because some of them I already have, but I have no desire if they have big prints on them. Whoops. And here's some scraps I'm selling on eBay as well. But I'm sorry if this video is not the best. I'm not good at editing videos either. So I'm trying to go slow. Here's some more fabric. This one. So I don't know if I'm a fabricaholic, a quilter, I don't know what you call me, but like I said, I've only made 2 quilts. I made a paper piecing quilt that I'm going to show you right now. I do have a video on it, and this is it right here. It's now twin size. And I'm gonna have a lady locally that does long arm quilting, and it's all hand sewn. I'm trying, oh there we go, I'll try and hone in on it. It's all hand quilted. It's taken me forever to make this, but it's chaos, like I said. I like chaos. But here's how the hexagon paper piecing starts. You take this particular one is 2.5 inch pieces of fabric, and you make these little flowerets and then sew them together and create the quilt. And here's more fabric here. But see, it's such a shame that I really like to cut stuff real small. Some stuff I don't find interesting. Like, I'll show you one I just saw. This one right here doesn't really interest me. It's too organized. I like craziness, like these stripes. I'm kind of going away from florals too, especially bigger florals like this big one. I like small floor type stuff that has odd shape, you know, like small, bigger. This one I like. And like I said, I got some of this stuff for free on Facebook Marketplace. I'm looking at it with you. See, there's another one, that same fabric, but in a different color. But I'm in heaven with small pieces. I'll show you. My big plan was to make a black and white quilt. I ordered some fabric through Whatnot. I don't know if you've ever heard of that app, but you can buy stuff, and I want to make a black and white quilt. So I was having some black and white fabrics, different ones, of course. Like I said, that I don't like patterns. I like crazy patterns like that. I love that. Another thing, I tried this quilt tape. I think it's made by Gypsy is the name, and I thought it'd be great for scraps. But as you can see, the reason it's called scrap tape is because it's water soluble, and so when you wash it, it comes out. But if you notice, it's kind of wavy. So I'm returning that, and I'm gonna stick to what I was doing with my crazy. This is like a felt material. That was free too. And I created a little block yesterday. And of course it's chaos. I really am drawn to that chaos. And the smaller you cut a fabric, the cuter it looks. If it's an ugly fabric, when you cut it small, it looks great. What else can I tell you? So I'm not a fan of this gypsy quilt tape. I know people they've done videos on it and they like it, but in my opinion, I don't like it. There's another piece I tried right there, but I don't like it. But so I don't know if I'm considered a quilter or a quiltaholic. I mean, a fabricaholic. Crazy patterns. But one thing I do know is I love sewing. So I hope you enjoy it too. And if you like my content or you're a fabricaholic, you can subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.